Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a lady spin with man continuation or continuation lady spin with man. Knowing how to do a lady spin with man already would be really helpful. A link to that in the description below, and we'll talk about the continuations here. So without further ado, we'll jump straight in. Here it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So it starts exactly like a lady spin with man. We go semicircle back, we do the preparation, we start the spin, and the difference is that when we get round, the guys reach for the lady's hand nice and early and actually push through for a second spin, which they also do. Then it's round for the catch, return and back. We'll show that from the other side and we'll talk numbers. So it goes back 1, preparation 2, spin 3 and 4, catching 5, returning 6 and back 7. And I would say the most useful reason for having this in your repertoire is musicality, because if you do a spin and it hits something and that thing then goes on for an extra count, you can do this and hit the whole thing, if that makes any sense. So let's try it to a count. Here we go. 5, 6, continuation, lady spin with man. We go a back, prepare, 1, 2, catch, return and back. And that's it. Do remember while you're learning it to maybe go the other way a couple of times in between, particularly the fellas, otherwise you may well get dizzy. Okay, thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. And there is a music recommendation on the end of the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video that will be something nice to practice this to. We'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.